If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Uber account, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure you have access to your account and the necessary verification methods. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Privacy or Security. Tap on it to find the two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, locate the two-factor authentication option. You should see an option to turn it off. Follow the prompts to confirm the action, which may include entering your password or verifying your identity. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may receive a confirmation message. Ensure that the setting has been updated by checking the security settings again. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Uber account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.